My daughter requested a beef dish for dinner tonight, so I decided to make this.
For this recipe, I use thinly sliced beef. Since it's not a premium cut, I needed to tenderize the meat. In a bowl of beef, I added salt, pepper, soy sauce, and 5 cloves of garlic chopped into small chunks. I also added 3 tablespoons of cooking oil and the secret ingredient to make the meat tender. Mix everything thoroughly to ensure every piece of meat is coated with the mixture, which helps make it tender. Set it aside for 10 minutes to let the meat absorb all the flavors. Now, in a heated pan, add a bit of oil. Fry 10 cloves of garlic, sliced into small cubes, until they start to turn golden and fragrant. Then, add 2 medium-sized onions, also diced into cubes, and cook them together until the onions become soft and lightly caramelized. This will create a rich, flavorful base for the dish. Add some chopped onion stalks and give everything a gentle mix. Now, move the garlic and onions aside and drop your marinated beef directly into the pan. Mix the ingredients and cook the meat for 3 minutes on each side. Since it's thinly sliced, it cooks quickly. The baking soda ensures that the beef is tender. It breaks down proteins and allowing the meat to retain moisture during cooking, resulting in a juicier final dish. Finally, add some chili for a spicy kick and garnish with chopped onion leaves. And there you have it, a delicious, tender beef dish with just the right amount of spice. Serve it hot with your favorite sides. It pairs best with rice.